Nikes. This tree got blew down by the wind today. Whoa. Knocked the power out for some streets. For some of the streets. Wow. Dude, look at that thing. Whoa, dude. No joke.